The Great Attractor, the mysterious force pulling our galaxy. Imagine this: you're standing on Earth, looking up at the night sky, completely unaware that everything around you is being pulled towards something massive. I'm not talking about your fridge magnet. I'm talking about our entire galaxy, the Milky Way. And millions of others, all drifting toward an unknown force. This isn't science fiction, it's real, and astronomers call it the Great Attractor. What is the Great Attractor? To understand why this is such a mystery, let's first talk about something called cosmic motion. Everything in space is moving. Galaxies aren't just floating around aimlessly, they follow the pull of gravity, shaped by massive structures like galaxy clusters and dark matter. Normally, we can calculate these movements based on the mass of nearby objects. But here's where things get weird: the Milky Way, along with thousands of neighboring galaxies, is moving at over 2.2 million kilometers per hour toward something. But when we look in that direction, we don't see anything that explains why. It's like being in a canoe on a calm river, only to realize you're being pulled toward a waterfall you can't see yet. The difference? We have no idea what's at the bottom of this cosmic waterfall. Where is the Great Attractor? Our galaxy isn't alone. It's part of a much larger structure called the Laniakea supercluster, a vast collection of over 100,000 galaxies spanning 520 million light-years. And at the center of all this, roughly 150 to 250 million light-years away, lies the Great Attractor, a gravitational anomaly so powerful that it's pulling an entire galactic supercluster toward it. Now, you might be wondering, why can't we just look at it? Well, there's a small problem called the zone of avoidance. Yes, that's the real scientific name, and no, it's not a great name for a band. The zone of avoidance is a region of space completely obscured by the Milky Way's dense core. Our own galaxy is in the way, blocking our view like a cosmic curtain drawn over one of the biggest mysteries in astrophysics. What could the Great Attractor be? So if we can't see it directly, how do we even know something is there? Gravity doesn't lie. Astronomers measure the movement of galaxies using redshift, which tells us how fast objects are moving away from or toward us. And all signs point to something extremely massive exerting a pull. So, what is it? Well, there are a few leading theories. 1. A supercluster of galaxies. One idea is that the Great Attractor isn't a single object but a massive concentration of galaxies, so many that their combined gravity is dragging us toward them. This is somewhat supported by what little we can see peeking through the zone of avoidance, dense galactic clusters that hint at something big. 2. A colossal black hole. Another theory: a black hole of unfathomable size. But unlike normal black holes, which form from dying stars, this would have to be a supermassive gravitational anomaly, possibly even connected to something beyond our observable universe. 3. Dark matter, the invisible hand. Here's where things get really weird: the Great Attractor could be something we can't see at all. Scientists estimate that around 85% of the universe's mass is made of dark matter, a mysterious, invisible substance that doesn't emit light but still has gravitational effects. The Great Attractor might be a massive region of dark matter bending space itself. 4. The Shapley supercluster, a bigger mystery. Even crazier. The Great Attractor might not even be the biggest thing pulling us. Scientists discovered an even larger mass of galaxies beyond it, the Shapley supercluster. It's possible that the Great Attractor is just a stepping stone toward an even greater force pulling our entire region of the universe. Should we be worried? Okay, let's address the big question: are we doomed to crash into this mysterious object? Well, no, at least, not in the way you might think. The universe is expanding faster than the pull of the Great Attractor. This means that while we are moving toward it, the accelerating expansion of the cosmos will eventually pull us away before we get too close. Think of it like running toward an escalator that's moving away from you. You're technically moving in its direction, but you'll never actually reach it. So while the Great Attractor remains one of the most fascinating and unnerving mysteries of the cosmos, it's not something that will devour our galaxy anytime soon. The universe is still hiding secrets. The Great Attractor is a reminder that our understanding of the universe is still in its infancy. We like to think we have things figured out, but space constantly throws curveballs our way. And the fact that something so massive, so powerful, and so mysterious is influencing our galaxy, without us fully knowing why, should be a humbling thought. Maybe one day, when technology advances enough, we'll finally pull back the cosmic curtain and see the Great Attractor for what it really is. But for now, it's a silent, invisible force in the vastness of space, one that keeps tugging at the very fabric of our reality. If you've enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe for more videos about the fascinating mysteries of the universe in which we live.